Hello, and welcome to my back-end project. We're talking about SQLAlchemy in Python using Flask, Marshmallow, and JWT Manager. So, we've got our Postman window right here to test the endpoints, and we've got Virtual Studio Code right here. So starting out with the models, we have our order product association table, and then we have three models, which would be the user, order, and product. Using Marshmallow for schemas, we create the instances, and then we got our endpoints. So we look over here to Postman. We've got our first endpoint, which is register a new user at /register. We're going to register Joe Steinbach, and his password is going to be password. Not very secure, Joe. So we'll test it. We see that user was registered successfully and has a user ID of 9. So let's log Joe in. Let me just take his email real quick. Login user, which it's expecting an email and a password. So let's see if we could get Joe logged in. Alright, Joe is logged in. It spit out an access code thanks to JWT authentication. So we will see if we could copy this access code right here. We're going to need that for our next endpoint, which is to check the current user, which we got a bearer token under authorization tab. We're gonna paste that here, and then it comes back Joe Steinbach is the current user. So that one works. I did have a kind of hard time figuring out JWT authentication, because what it's doing is that you're putting in a password and it generates a hash of that password, and then when you log in, it's taking the hash, running it through the algorithm, and then you get the password again, which is how we log in. So then we have retrieve all users, so we should be able to run this, and we have a list of all of the users. That's good. We could go by user ID. So what did I say Joe was? 9. Yep. Or if we wanted to type in a user that does not exist, user not found. And then we can update a user. So let's say we wanted to update, let's say we want to update S Macy Girl 77, but she's not logged in. Unprocessable entity. So no, we can't. But we can do J Stein 44. We have to put the right user number in. So user 9. And then we go, let's say he got a new email address. Being more professional, he said J Steinbach 12. And then we would have to go over here to our authorization code. And then that should, yep, it comes back as an updated user, jsteinbeck12@gmail. Well, Joe has had enough of our program and he decides he doesn't want to be here anymore. So he's gonna delete his account. No more Joe. Alright, so now we got products. We can create products with this right here. So let's say we want to create when Windows 12 comes out, they're gonna charge us what, 99? Alright, so we got Windows 12, product number ID 9. So we can go over here to retrieve all products, send it, and then we have pagination on this. So this is the first page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Or we can use the pagination retrieve, which on the endpoint it says /products page 2 when there's 3 items per page. So that gives us product 4, 5, and 9. Because there are no products 6, 7, and 8. So retrieve product by ID. We're gonna go 9. We got Windows. That's good. Let's say Windows decides that inflation is affecting everyone. So they're gonna bring it up to 109.99. We have the updated price of Windows 12 to 109.99. And let's say nobody wants to buy Windows anymore. We deleted Windows. So let's add a couple more products. Let's say Ubuntu comes out with a Pro model and they're only charging 99 cents because they're awesome. Alright, so ID number 10, and then let's do let's sell a ChatGPT sub for $19.99 a month. So product 10 and 11, we're gonna delete those by using this endpoint right here. It takes a list, so we'll insert 9. Wait, I said 10 and 11, huh? Right? 2 products deleted successfully. And if we run it again, no valid products because they've already been deleted. So let's retrieve all products just to make sure. Yep, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So with those products, let's create an order. Let's say user number, let me get the users again. User number 8. User number 8, he's big money, so he's gonna get a laptop, a GPU, and something else. But he forgot to order ID number 4. So he places another order. That's user number 8. Let's do user number 7 orders product number 4. Oh, we don't have a user number 7. Let's try 9. 6. Alright. User number 6 ordered product number 4. Alright, so let's go to add product to order. What was it? What was this? Order 9 ordered product 3. Let's say they forgot something. So order number 9. And then we're going to add product 1 to their order. Alright, so we got that. But let's say, no, they changed their mind. They don't want that. So order number 9. And we're going to remove the product we just put on there. Bam. Did it. Notice how we have a timestamp right here, courtesy of date time. So retrieve orders for user. So I think it was user number 8 that ordered 2 orders. Yep. Order ID 7 and 8. And then products in an order. So let's do order number 7 for user number 8. Yep. 1, 2, and 3. That's everything that user ordered. So we've got additional endpoints, which I imagine would be useful for, like, you know, the admins of the site. So they have a place where they can get all orders, which I guess would be useful. You see we have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, that's a decent day for an e-commerce platform selling computer products. It's a lot of money. So retrieve order by ID. Let's retrieve order number 7. User 8 ordered order number 7. So updating an order. Order number 7. We said user 8 ordered number 7. Well, that was a mistake. User 9 actually ordered order number 7. So we need to change that. Oh, no. User number 6. Okay. But they changed their mind. So we have an option to delete order 7. And then some of the cooler cooler endpoints we got is the total price of an order. So we deleted order 7. So let's take order 6. There's 2 products in that order, and the total price is just about $6.50. Order number 8, $4.50. So order stats for a user. User number 1, has 1 order. User number 6, I think they had 2 orders. No. 7? No. 8? Well. I guess no one has 2 orders. Alright, that's fine. Retrieve orders with a specific product. So what did we have? Let's try product 3. So order ID number 3 has product ID number 3. Or order number 4 and 5 also have that same product. So that's good if you're analyzing like market trends and whatnot. And then we have the same thing for users. So we could see which users ordered which products. So product number 3, we've got John Doe, Callie Baker, and Tyler Webbings. They all ordered item number 3. And then we've got filter order by dates. So the endpoint is customizable. I created items yesterday. So if we were to do October 12th to October 12th. No. October 12th through the 13th. We have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's all of them. So if, let's say we were running this for like a week, we'd be able to see which items were ordered on which days. So all in all, the project was about 600 lines of code. And the thing I liked about this project is the endpoints are kind of, I guess, modular in a way, where you could have one endpoint and it's not necessarily affected by another endpoint. It's just kind of cool seeing what is going on behind the scenes while we're browsing the internet, and I feel like this was a big step on my programming journey. So yeah, thank you for watching.